Hello children, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, Nana. Let us start.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. I'm muting you people. Just let us go to our session now. Okay. I think you people have done yesterday's homework. A little disturbance was there yesterday. If you have any doubts, children, let us just once discuss before 5 minutes of the class. Okay, children. Before that, I want to intimate one more thing. 18th page, course book 18th page. The question is, see children, am I telling the page number proper or not? If you compare from your course books, is it is correct or not? If any doubt like that, if anything is there, you have to raise your hands. Okay, it is okay, Lasya. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 7 crore 28 lakh 11,500. One of them is 2 crore 56 lakh 99,297. Find the other number. Here he asked about the other number. How to find out? Let us take simple numbers instead of these bigger digit numbers. Okay. See children, I am doing the explanation part here. No need of taking down anything. Just listen to me. After that, we'll go to that problem. Steps wise, you have to take it properly. Okay. The sum of two numbers. Let me take a one digit number only. I'm going to take a one digit number only. Okay. The sum of two numbers is any two numbers is 8 I have taken. 8 I have taken. From those two numbers, see, sum means what? The answer after you add, right? The answer which you get after adding numbers is called sum. If you add any two numbers, let me think those two numbers as x and y. X and y. After you add those two numbers, here we got 8. One of them is 5. Let us take any one number as 5. I am taking x as 5. We don't know y, but the sum is 8. Okay, how to find out the value of y? Here, as you are using simple numbers, one digit numbers, here without any simplification, you people can say easily that the value of y is how much? It's 3. Good. How much? It's 3. How you have said that? By depending on the numbers 8 and 5, you have said that it's 8. Means what you did actually here? Here you have subtracted 8 and 5, right? In the same manner, now let me take the bigger numbers instead of these numbers here. See, the sum of the two numbers is, instead of this, I am taking the actual number 7 crore 28 lakh 11,500. And one of them is, now instead of this x, I am taking here 2 crore 56 lakh 99,297. We have to find out the y value to means the other value we have to find out. For finding out that one, what here we have to do according to the previous explanation? Yes, you have to subtract. You have to subtract this 2 crore 56 lakh 99,297 from 7 crore 28 lakh 11,500. You got it? It is clear to you all? Thumb. If you are clear with it, show your thumb. All of you. Good. Good. Yuvan, Nanda Kishore, Sishira, hided your face. Sahendra is showing thumb, but where is your face? Himesh, Shishira, Adrika, Srijan, Ashank. You people have to open your videos. Okay, you all got it now. It is very clear, right? Now let us take down the steps now. K bit, I'll start with the solution. K bit question, already you know that the sum of two numbers is given. Out of those two numbers, one number value is given. You have to find the other number. For that sake, let us take down the steps. What is the first step, children? Here, what is the first information we have? Sum of two numbers. Let us take, put today's date on the course book. Today is 2nd. Let the two numbers be x and y. X and y. One of them. Let us take x is equal to 7 crore 28 lakh 11,500. One of them is given. Sorry. 2 crore 56 lakh 99,297. Sum of the two numbers is how much is given? Sum of x and y is 7 crore 28 lakh 11,500. So here, if you add these two numbers, you will get 77 crore 28 lakh 11,500. One of them is how much? X value, already we know that. Let us take down that. Okay. We have to find here y value. For that sake, what we are doing here, we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. As you all know that when you add two numbers to find out the unknown number, we can subtract the given number from the answer. See, if place is not sufficient, you can divide that page, divide into two parts. Draw a column, vertical column in between, and the two sides you can use. Take down this fastly. Only 1 minute I'll give you. After that, I'll go to the next page. Simplification part. We have to subtract these two numbers. Make it fast, children. Only less time left over. Now let us subtract. Take borrow. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here also again remains 9. Sorry. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here remains 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And again here you take borrow. This becomes 11 and here becomes 0. Let me take in a larger way. 7, 2, 8, 1, 1, 5, 0, 0. 2, 5, 6, 9, 9, 2, 9, 7. Let us now subtract. Take borrow. This becomes 4. And if you take borrow from this, this becomes 10 and this becomes 9. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here again there is a need to take borrow. This becomes 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. Why I am doing so fastly here? Why? Because you people already aware of these subtractions and all, right? 10 minus 1 is 9 is 1. Now here will be 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Again you have to take borrow here and this becomes 6. 12 minus 5 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. What is the answer you got here? 4 crore 71 lakh 12,203. What is the other number? Therefore, the other number y, we have mentioned it as y, right? The other number y is equal to 4 crore 71 lakh 12,203. Next one. See if time is not sufficient. If you cannot able to write now, I'll send you the pics also. First of all, try to understand the problems. Put more concentration and try to understand the problems. If any doubt arises, you can immediately clear with me while I'm explaining. Okay. Let me go to the next one, children. I'll send you these pics if anybody has not completed. Next one. LBT is the population of a city is given. How much it is? 7,18,625. There are 4,09,329 males in the city. How many females are there? He asked. See, the total population is given. It is just same like the before problem only. Here male population and female population is there, but the female population is not given. But here he is saying that if you combine both male and female population, the total population is 7,18,625. It seems. To find out the female population, what you have to do? Again you have to subtract the male population from the total population. Remain population will be the female population. Take down the steps. Take down the steps. The total population you have to write first. Seven lakh 18,625. Let us go to the male population. See children, I am mentioning the commas here. According to our Indian system, I am writing. Whereas in the exam, if you people put commas like this way in the answer, it is getting a little problematic actually. Why? Because the answer in the answer, you and again you will people are provided with boxes, it seems not to write the answer there. If you apply commas and all, it is getting a lot of confusion, and again it is not accepting like that. So don't put any commas while writing the answer. If I mention specially to put commas, then only you have to put, otherwise no need of putting any commas in the exam while attempting the online exam. I'm saying about it. Okay, let us find out the female population. For finding out the female population, here we have to subtract the male population from the total population. Let us subtract now. Let's take borrow. It becomes 15 and this becomes 1. 15 minus 6 is, 9 is 6. Now again take borrow as we have smaller number in the upper place. And this is 5. 11 minus 2 is how much? 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. Again take borrow. It becomes 18 and this becomes 0. 18 minus 9 is how much? 9 again. 9 plus 9 is 18. Half of 18 is 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. How much we got here? It's 3,09,296. Last step you have to write. Therefore, the number of females in the city is equal to this much. I'll go to the next page and I'll write. By the time you take down, I'll give 1 minute time. Make it fast. Therefore, the number of females in the city. How much we got? 309,296. It's 3,09,296. Coming to next one, look at the course book, all of you. Have you all completed? Now look at the course book. Again, the same page, MBIT. Here, the question is, what is the product of the largest 5-digit number and the largest 2-digit number? What is the product of product? Product means what? I'll be asking you 3 questions here related to this question. Here, I should know about what do you mean by a product, and then tell me what is the largest 5-digit number and tell me the largest 2-digit number. You all once on your videos. On your videos, all of you. Srijan, what do you mean by a product, Srijan? Product. Where is Srijan? Why again you muted yourself? Open your videos, all of you. Yuvan, Vaishali, all of you. Yes? Yuvan, tell me what do you mean by product? Product. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? But I can't hear you. I cannot hear you, Nana. Tell me what do you mean by product? Manaswini will tell. I cannot hear you. Yuvan. Manaswini. Manaswini. What do you mean? What do you people mean by a product? Yes, Ashank.
Ma'am, the
Tell me.
answer of multiplication is called as
Very good. The answer which you get after we multiply numbers is called a product. Okay. Now tell me, Himesh, what is the largest 5-digit number? Largest 5-digit number.
90 lakhs.
Ah,
99,999.
99,999. Now Bhuvan will tell the largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number. Diya, you are helping him. Yuvan, you want to try? Yuvan,
28,000
what is the largest 2-digit number? Yes, Adrika. Adrika.
99.
Yes, it's 99. Now let us mute yourself again, all of you. So here we need 3 informations here for this problem to solve. What is that? What is the product of the largest 5-digit number and the largest 2-digit number? Here product, you have to find the product of those. Product means what? The answer which you get after you multiply numbers. But before that, we have to find out the largest 5-digit number and the largest 2-digit number. Let us take down now. What is first thing we have to find out? The largest 5-digit number. The largest 5-digit number is how much? It's 99,999. Next, you have to go to the largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number is, it's only 99. Remember, all the largest numbers have nines in it, okay? Let us find out the product. Product of them. 99,999 into 99. If we do, we'll get the product of it, okay? I'll move to the next page. Maybe it will not be sufficient there to solve, but you people can continue from down onwards. Otherwise, please children, are you all using only pencil for coursework? You are using pencil only for coursework? Okay. Okay. Then draw a right margin. Right side, leave some column for simplification part. For multiplication process, draw right side some column. Use some column. Right side. Let us multiply now. Into 99. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81 plus 8 is 89. 9 nines are 81 plus 8 is again 89. Again 89 and again 89. If you again multiply with this 9, the same thing you will be getting, but you should start from this place onward. So how you will be getting the answer again? Like this way. Now let us add these two. 1, 18, 19, 19, 19, 18, and it's 9. So after the product of largest 5-digit number and largest 2-digit number is how much? It's therefore the product of largest 5-digit number and 2-digit numbers is 9,89,000. Sorry, it's 98 lakh, right? 98 lakh 99,000 98 lakh 99,981. Okay, completed. Let me discuss about today's homework. Already the time is up, children. Let me once discuss about today's homework. I have given homework from page 19. Page 19, n bit you people have to do. Next, third bit, find the product of. Here you have to multiply those numbers and you have to write, show me the process also in the third bit. While coming to the fourth bit, complete the table. Here, you have to add those numbers by thousands and 10,000s and lakhs also there. So you have to divide those and you have to write the quotient and remainder. How you will do? I'll show you the example for D bit here. See 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is divided by 1 lakh, right? How you are going to divide this? See, actually, this is also in 1 lakh only, right? 2,34,561. So you can take here directly. It is in 2 lakhs. That's why if you multiply this by 2 here, On the ones place you will be getting, but no need of showing that. Actually you are not showing the process, right? Only simply you are